Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase's reporting and analytics tools. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's reporting and analytics tools, this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a really quick one, just gonna give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Now you can log into your Coinbase account on the mobile app, or you can do that on the website. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the reports tab. Once you're there, you can browse the reporting and analytics tools that are available, and you can use the tools to view and analyze your account activities. You could also set up custom reports and alerts. Likewise, you can confirm the reporting and analytics setup once you've had that done, and yeah, you'll be able to use that to analyze your accounts and monitor things more clearly. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's reporting and analytics tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next